How to use my Myfxbook Position Size Calculator. Step 1. Head over to myfxbook.com/forexcalculators/position size. This tool helps calculate the right lot size based on your risk tolerance, balance, and stop loss. Step 2. Let's break down what you need to input. First, account settings or account currency. Step 2. Account size. Next, risk ratio. 4. Stop loss. 5. Current pair. And 6. Trade direction. Step 3. Once all fields are filed, hit calculate. The calculator will instantly give you the lot size you should trade, the pip value, the monetary risk amount, and everything based on your input. Step 4. Make it a habit to use this tool before placing any trade. It keeps you risk consistency and protect your account from big losses. You can also bookmark the calculator for quick access every day. So that's it.